Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the monthly chart of American reality investors. Now we have a very long data for last 40 years, and if you are looking at this particular chart, there is something very interesting and very peculiar, and that is what we are going to discuss in this particular stock. So without any further ado, let's start talking about it. Now we have huge amount of data. First of all, 40 years is not a joke, and we have data since 1980 82, so at least 38 or 40 years worth of data we have. Now if you are looking at the levels, because breakout hasn't yet happened, if you are looking at the levels, what we have here is 1.28 and 1.19, which is the lowest end of the range we have here. And if you're looking at this stock, the stock is currently trading at the upper end of the range. So the traction is on the upper end of the range. So this is what we have. And here we are, right? So this is what we have here as far as the trend or range is concerned. Now let me zoom this a bit and let's see what else we have here as far as the important levels are concerned, right? So we have one more here, we have one more over here, okay, and I think one more here. So this is important for the current price action. Now based on the current price action we have here, first of all, don't go below $7. Consider this as your stop loss. Actually we are in between a big range, but the range can push the stocks if it does not work, and push the stocks in a very, I would say, quick manner, and the stock can move very sharply on both the sides, right? And right now we are talking about the downside. So although we have big support levels, but better not to go below these two important levels, or more specifically below $7 over here. Else we have big support, but it is far too away from the current price. Now looking at the upper end of the range, what we have here is 13.67, which is your immediate target. Beyond that we have 17.74, and then we have the upper end of the range, and it is in between 20 and $22, 22.6, or let's say $23. So this is the range we have here. So this is the current range of the big trend we have here. Now you might ask, what's peculiar in this? You are doing the same thing what you are doing in other videos, right? Now there is a probability of a big breakout. Now why I am saying this is the way the chart is currently behaving, okay, this one, okay, the way the chart is currently behaving, it's trying to push itself towards the other boundaries multiple times, okay. So here it has attempted 1 2 3 4 times, it has attempted to push itself towards the upper end of the range. And the good thing is, it is not trading at its support, it is actually trading near to its resistance, right? So whatever we have explained till now, it's just about the current price action. What now we are going to explain is the upcoming trend. Obviously for the time being it is conditional and will only get activated once the stock started trading beyond $23, which means if the stock makes a breakout beyond $23 and started trading above that, which means a new trend will start. In that case we will have a very big move in the next upcoming months and years. So in simply what we are going to do here is calculate the lower end to the upper end of the range, and it is saying somewhere near 1500%. So I mean, after the breakout, and if it is happening after 40 38 or 40 years, so the big target we have here is at least $320. So $310 or $320, this is the range we should look at if the stock started trading beyond $23. So this is something which is yet to be seen, but looking at the current price action, there is a very high probability for that. If somebody is not confident enough, do not simply jump in you know with simply watching the videos and all. Wait, and most importantly, do your own analysis, right? And this is completely inactive right now, the big trend, and will only get activated after $23. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.